Power set. The power set is a set that contains all the subsets of the given set. It is given by P is equals to 2 raised to power the number of the set. Now let's consider some example. Consider the set A. Now the set A contains 3 elements, which are A, B, and C. Now the power set of the set A is a set that contains all the subsets of A. Now there's a formula for it. Power set is equals to 2 raised to power n of this given set, n of A. Now, n of A, which is the number of elements in A, is 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 elements in A, which is 3, which implies that power set of A is equals to 2 raised to power 3, since n of A is 3, and this gives us 8. So the power set contains 8 elements, 8 subsets of A. And this implies that the set A contains 8 subsets. Now we're going to list these 8 subsets out. Note that an empty set is a subset of all sets. So the first subset of A is empty set. The first subset of A is an empty set. So now empty set is a subset of A. Now, all of these elements, each of these elements are subsets of A. So the element A is a subset of A. A set that contains the element B is a subset of A. A set that contains the element C is a subset of A. We have 4 subsets already, but we have 8 altogether, so we still have 4 to go. Now, when we combine 2 of these elements, a set that contains 2 of these elements are also subsets of A. So a set that contains A and B is a subset of A. A set that contains A and C is also a subset of A. A set that contains B and C is also a subset of A. So how many do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. But according to our formula, there should be 8. Now she noted that a set is a subset to itself. So the set A is also a subset of itself. So it implies that the sets A, B, and C, which is set A, is also a subset of A. So these are the 8 subsets of A. Now if we're going to write out the power set, we're going to write it like this. So the power set of A contains this element. It contains the empty set. It contains the A. It contains B. It contains C. It contains A and B. Then A and C. Then B, C, and lastly A, B, and C. So this very set is the power set of A. There are 8 subsets altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So a power set is a set that contains all the subsets of the given set. Now let's consider another example. Find the power set of the set C, and the set C contains 4 elements, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to find the power set. Now remember that the formula is P is equals to 2 raised to power n of C. Now n of C is 4 since we have 4 elements. So the power set is equals to 2 raised to power 4. And this gives us 16. And this implies that we have 16 subsets of C. Now let's list them out. Of course, the first subset is an empty set. So this is the first subset, an empty set. Now the next one is each of these elements. And the first element here is 1. The next element here is 2. The next one here is 3. The next one is 4. So we have 5 out of the 16. So we still have another 11 to go. Now the next type, when we combine 2 of these elements, a set that contains 2 of these elements are subset of C. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, and 4. We also have 2, 1. 2, 1 is here already. 2, 1. So we can put 2, 1 again. Then 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 4. Then 3, 3, 1. 3, 1 is here. 3, 2 is here. Then we have 3, 4. Okay, so what about 4? We have 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1 is here, 4, 2 is here, 4, 3 is here. So there's no which begin with 4 then. Then we'll move over to combining 3 of these elements together. Combining 3 of these elements together. But let's see how many we have altogether at this point. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. We have 16 altogether, so we have 5 sets to go. So now let's combine 3 of these elements. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 3, and 4. That's a good one. 1, 3, and 4. Now, how many do we have now? I think we still have 2 left. So, when combining 3 together, I think this is all for the element that begins with 1. So, what about the element that begins with 2? 2, 3, and 4. Good. 2, 3, and 4 is not here. 2, 3, 4. So how many do we have altogether now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. We still have 1 left. And what would that be? What is the 16th one? Now remember that a set is a subset of itself. So the set C is also a subset of C, which implies that 1, 2, 3, and 4 is the last one. Now these are the 16 subsets of C. And a combination of all of these sets is the power set of the set C. So when dealing with the power set, there's a formula for it. The formula is 2 raised to the power n of C, n of the set. So after finding the number of subsets, the next you need to list them all out. And remember that an empty set is a subset of all sets. So an empty set should be here. Also remember that the set is a subset of itself. So you already have 2 already. Now you list out each of the sets. List out a set that contains each of these sets you are working on. So list them out one after the other. After doing that, now pick out 2 of the sets. 2 of the sets, but don't repeat it again. We have 1 and 2 here, so you're not going to write 2 and 1 again, because 1 and 2 is already here. There's 1 and 3, so you won't write 3 and 1. So you list them out, combining 2 of them together. Now when you're done combining 2 of them, then you move over to combine 3 of such elements. After combining 3 of such elements, then you write out the set itself. Now it might be that there's another set here, there's another element. Probably if set C contains 5 elements, you're going to write 5 here, and 2 to the power 5, that will be 32, and you're going to have 32 subsets altogether. So that's all for power sets. Now if you want to know more about sets, just message me on WhatsApp, DA247, to answer all of your questions. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video.